In this video, I will show you how to reset your Samsung C400 soundbar. Very easy in case you're having issues. Step number 1, turn on your soundbar. Then next step is to go on the top of the soundbar and you're going to find a minus and a plus button. You need to keep both of these buttons pressed like this during 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release your fingers from those buttons. You're gonna have a few lights over here flashing, and at the end, to know that the factory reset is done, there'll be a blue light right in the middle flashing 3 times. Okay, once it's flashed 3 times, you're good to go. The soundbar has been factory reset. You'll be able to pair it again with your TV, phone, or whatever other device. It's very easy. Takes only a few seconds. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.